Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Today, we're going to walk through the steps to replace the battery in your HP 15S laptop. Before we start, make sure you have the following tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and an anti-static wrist strap. Having these tools ready will make the process easier and safer. First, ensure your laptop is powered off and unplugged. It's crucial to avoid any electrical accidents during this process. If you don't have the tools at hand, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home for your convenience. Next, turn the laptop over and locate the battery release latch. On the HP 15S, there are usually two latches that need to be pushed to the side. Use your flathead screwdriver to gently pry open the battery compartment. This will give you access to the battery. Once the compartment is open, carefully disconnect the battery connector from the motherboard. You may need to wiggle it gently to release it. Take your time with this step, rushing can cause damage to the connector. If you're not confident in doing this yourself, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Now, remove the screws that hold the battery in place. For the HP 15S, you will typically find 3 or 4 screws. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove them, and place them in a safe location so you don't lose any. When all screws are removed, you can lift the battery out of its compartment. Make sure you handle it carefully to avoid any damage. Before installing the new battery, take a moment to clean the internal area of your laptop. Dust buildup can lead to overheating issues. Use a can of compressed air to remove any debris, ensuring that the laptop remains in optimal condition. Now, take your new battery and align it properly in the compartment. Push it down gently until it clicks into place. Reconnect the battery connector to the motherboard, ensuring it is seated correctly. If you have any doubts, remember we provide a quote before repair, so you can make informed decisions. Next, replace the screws you removed earlier to secure the battery in place. Tighten them carefully but avoid over-tightening, which could strip the screws. Once the battery is secured, close the battery compartment and flip your laptop back over. Finally, plug in your laptop and power it on. Check to see if the new battery is recognized by the system. If everything is working correctly, congratulations! You successfully replaced the battery in your HP 15S laptop. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for professional assistance. Remember, with our service, there are no calls, no travel, just ease and convenience. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.